Hi there, this is Kristen Bruce with Keller Williams and the Sarasota Home Specialist Group, and I'm honored to have with me today my friend and professional, Kim Bociek. She's an acupuncturist with the Acupuncture Physicians Group in Sarasota. How you doing, Kim?
Great. Thank you for having me, Kristen.
Oh, my pleasure. Well, I don't know about all of you, but I've spent the past couple of months really missing my wellness team of professionals. And that usually consists of acupuncture, chiropractic, massage, just everybody that, basically takes good care of me and my wellness. And a major member of that team is Kim. So I thought I'd have you on today, Kim. And how's business with you right now? I think you reopened last week.
I love being reopened. I missed all my patients. They are happy to be back and have their wellness provider back on board with them. So yes, we're all doing great.
Well, awesome. Well, I was happy and excited to hear that you reopened last week, and I couldn't wait to get in and see you. So I'm really pumped about that. So I'm happy that you're back in business as well as a lot of other businesses reopening up there. So tell everybody, why would somebody see an acupuncturist?
It's a great question. Acupuncture has been around for thousands of years, and it's a great therapy to help balance the body and overall wellness. It's real well known for prevention. And in my office, I commonly see people after they've been injured and have exhausted other Western type of doctor visits that haven't given them the relief that they were looking forward to.
Well, that's great. Can you treat somebody who's already on medications?
We can. So it's always best to have your doctor on board, of course. That's a nice little disclaimer. But acupuncture is great to help balance your body, even if you're on medications. Our goal, of course, is to work with your physician to get you off of those medications and working optimally. But yes, we can treat you while you're on that and hope that you heal and can advance to the next level.
Well, what about somebody that's, that's already presently in physical therapy or just had surgery? What about that?
Yeah, that's my perfect patient, to be honest with you. Acupuncture helps promote qi and blood flow. It helps circulation. It reduces inflammation and it reduces pain. So if you're currently being treated and getting physical therapy and you're not quite getting the range of motion or the movement that you wanted, or maybe someone's in physical therapy and they're getting pain and can't get past that point because the pain is restricting them from progressing in physical therapy. Acupuncture is a great adjunct, and the two combined are brilliant for helping with the pain, inflammation, and promoting the healing process. It will help accelerate their progress for sure.
That's great. Well, what if a doctor says they can't do anything else for you? Is acupuncture, is that an option?
Yeah, that's my greatest scenario is when people feel like they've exhausted all forms of treatment. Acupuncture is a great modality, and often you'll see people go to specialists and they'll have different categories: gastrointestinal, cardiologist, pulmonologist, a podiatrist. And as an acupuncturist, we get to treat you as a whole person, and we get to evaluate you, palpate you, listen sort of signs and symptoms, and we get to spend a lot more hands-on time with you, and I think that's super important, and address you as a whole. And oftentimes we can find something that may have unfortunately gotten overlooked in another Western atmosphere.
Oh, great. Well, me personally, I've never had a phobia with needles, but I know a lot of people who do. Is there another option to those people?
Yes, so we have lots of what's referred to as non-needle techniques. And these non-needle techniques or therapies are, you may have heard some of the common terms such as cupping. And cupping therapy is something maybe Michael Phelps, our Olympic swimmer, had all the little circles and the marks on his body. And you'll see them on some of our famous actresses, Gwyneth Paltrow and Jennifer Aniston, have on their shoulders with the marks. And cupping therapy, Tui Na, otherwise known as Chinese massage, gua sha tools. We have ear seeds that go on points on our ear, referred to as auricular therapy. So these are all painless. non-needle techniques that can help you heal and help with the promotion of circulation and reduce pain and inflammation. And of course, that's a win for everyone.
Yeah. So can anybody try acupuncture themselves? Would you recommend that?
So of course you want to go to a board certified individual for acupuncture and make sure they're certified. And anyone can go to an acupuncturist, anyone of all ages. I treat children and teenagers, adults, and I have people as old as in their 90s or later. So all age groups apply.
That's great. And what does insurance cover it? What options are there for payment?
I love that you asked this question. We're super fortunate that they are now, health insurance companies have recognized the benefits of acupuncture and now covering, many health insurances are now covering acupuncture. And the VA, I am a vendor with the VA, and they are sending me patients to help promote their healing and cover acupuncture. So we have Sarasota Memorial Hospital covers with Web TPA, and the county uses Aetna Insurance. They used to be Cigna, that covers acupuncture. We're really extremely fortunate that they're recognizing this and the value.
That's great. So say if somebody's still a little nervous about getting out right now and actually going to your office, what options do you have for them?
So I completely understand that. Our office is running with, we're all using masks and keeping sanitation procedures in place. However, we do understand that there is a pandemic going on. So we are now offering virtual visits through telehealth, and these services are super important for people at home because I can teach you how to use different tools and tips and tricks and therapies, nutrition, a postural analysis, other things that are super beneficial, such as acupressure. And again, using the ear seeds and things you can do in the safety of your own home.
That's great. Well, I can personally vouch for Kim's services because I've seen you, Kim, on a monthly basis for over 6 years, and you have helped me tremendously when other doctors haven't. So I appreciate you so much, and I highly recommend if anybody has any doubts, just to reach out to me about Kim, and I give her a glowing recommendation. And I can't
Thank
wait.
you, Kristen.
I can't wait to see you again this week because you're awesome. So I wish you the most success with your business up and running now again. And I hope everybody can get out there and see Kim. And like Kim spoke a minute ago, you know, there are other options if you can't get to her office physically right now. And I would definitely take her up on those. So thank you, Kim, so much for being with us today. And
thank you so much, Kristen, for having me. You're the most amazing patient. Thank you for your support. I really value that and your trust. And don't forget, everyone, she's an amazing realtor too, so she'll take care of you.
thanks so much, Kim. I really appreciate it. Take care.